AI Money Hacks. 5 passive income ideas you can start today. Want to make money while you sleep? AI is changing the game, and today we'll reveal 5 AI-powered passive income ideas that anyone can start. Traditional side hustles take too much time. But what if AI could automate your income streams and do the work for you? AI-generated ebooks and courses. First up, AI-generated ebooks and courses. Use ChatGPT to create valuable content and Canva for professional design. Sell on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon Kindle and make money passively. You can even use AI to generate audiobooks for an additional revenue stream. YouTube automation. Next, AI-powered YouTube automation. AI writes the scripts, generates voiceovers with 11 Labs, and even edits videos with Pictory AI. A fully automated YouTube channel can generate ad revenue and affiliate income. With AI tools, you can schedule content for months in advance and let your channel grow on autopilot. Stock trading bots. Trading bots can analyze the stock market and automate your trading strategies. Platforms like Crypto Hopper or Trade Santa let you make money with minimal effort. AI can track market trends, adjust investments, and execute trades in real time, so you don't have to constantly monitor the markets yourself. Print on demand. Want to sell merchandise without inventory? AI can create print-on-demand designs, and platforms like Redbubble and Printful handle the rest. No upfront investment needed. AI-powered design tools like Midjourney or Leonardo. AI can generate unique, high-quality graphics that sell well on print-on-demand platforms. SEO and affiliate marketing. Finally, AI can automate blogging and affiliate marketing. Tools like Surfer SEO optimize content for Google, while AI writes high-ranking articles. Earn commissions passively through affiliate links. You can use AI to generate content at scale, optimizing blog posts to rank on search engines and continuously drive traffic to monetized links. AI is changing the game, and now, you can use it to make passive income. Like and subscribe for more AI-powered business strategies.